Go, 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 just go, just go, go, go. I will tell you. It's my mom. Go, 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 go. Jonas, come what? Mama store. Mama store. Damn. Oh shit. She's chasing us.
Yo, what the hell? You got your mom chasing us, man?
Let's go. Just go. She ain't gonna catch us. Okay. Oh, we lost her. We lost her. Oh, stop! Run her over.
Yo, what?
Run my mom over.
I'm not running your mom over.
Run my mom over.
I'm not running your... Get out.
No,
Get
come
out.
on, I can't.
Get out.
It's hot.
Get out, man.
Listen.
What you mean? I don't care.
She's trying to make me take her somewhere, man.
I don't care. Take your mom somewhere. It's your mom, man. Take her. Get out.
No, come on, man. Just let me.
Oh, shit!
It's my dad.
What's wrong with your family, man?
I'm not taking her nowhere.
What's wrong with your family?
No. I'm sorry, bro.
Your family.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! You don't want to take your mom out?
You take her. It's always me. How come you don't take her then?
What? Your mom don't push me! Et la même maman t'a poussé, c'est vous-même maman t'a poussé! Get out the car right now, Jonas!
I'm a good guy. I know I'm a good boy. I'm not his friend no more.
James son bon garçon. Pas suivre Jonas, tenez. Jonas son vagabond, son maladre sale. Pas suivre lui, ok?
Your mom sorry for you! James! Get out the car! Get out the car!
Mom, ask him why he don't take her.
No. Get off my car, Mr. Prophet. Get Mr. Prophet, get off. You gonna get off the car today, Mr. Prophet. You gonna get out.